Sabi 2026 to all of us.
Things you wanna manifest ngayong 2026.
New beginnings. Yan yung gusto kong i-manifest. Lahat bago. At gusto ko talaga lahat ng mga taong malalapit sa akin, hindi lang ako maging successful, pero lahat niya.
Can we expect you on television anytime soon?
Yes, definitely.
Anong project ko? Pwede na ba?
Hindi pa eh. Wala pa. Hindi ko pa siya pwede sabihin. But I'm very, very excited. I'm very, very excited na i-share sa inyo itong something special that I'm doing right now.
You're happy with your career, also with love life.
Yes.
So, kamusta naman yung anong inspiration mo?
I'm very, very happy. We're very happy and very solid, I have to say. Even though Mac, he's 24 years old, right, and I'm 30. Well, some would think that it's a big age gap, but some would say, hindi naman, normal lang. But honestly, you know what, isa siya sa pinakabatang nakarelasyon ko, but I think this is the most mature relationship I ever had. So, very, very happy.
What's something special about him?
He loves my son very much, and Uno loves him so much. So, that's very special.
So, talagang very close siya sa son.
Oo, very, very. Nabibiro na nga siya ng anak ko. Minsan natatawag siyang daddy. Tapos syempre kinokorekt ko. No, that's Tito Mac. Kasi syempre may sarili siyang daddy.
Pero kung sakali ba, ready rin siyang maging daddy talaga in the
Alam
future?
naman niya yun. Kasi nung nag-date kami, first date namin, sabi ko, I'm seriously looking talaga. Kasi definitely I'm 30, you know, I'm tired of playing games and stuff. And of course, he's 24 and basketball player. Syempre, expected natin lahat, di ba? He still wants to have fun and all. But apparently, si Mac talaga parang na-try din ata niya na agad sa murang edad. So, at his age, like by now, I think he also wants to settle down.
Di ba sa iba yung kwento ng pagkakakilala niyo?
Oo nga, pwedeng share mo sa
Sa iba
amin.
yung kwento, di ba, ng pagkakakilala niyo?
Bakit siya kakaiba?
Pero-
Ako lang naman yung nag-message. Ano ba kakaiba
Ikaw
doon?
na una, ikaw nagdamo.
Eh, sa akin, hindi kakaiba yun. Kilala naman niya akong talagang ako'y mapusok, hindi ba? Hindi, pero totoo, kasi ano yun, dahil to kay Xavier Ramos talaga, nakita ko lang yung stories ni Xavier sa Instagram, tapos nakita ko sila somewhere, tapos sabi ko, uy, parang cute yun ah. Sabi ko, so, tinignan ko, sinuko yung IG niya. Eh, yung ganun itsura, di ba parang, naku, hindi naman nababakante to, hindi nawawalan to. Tsaka feeling ko baka laging may girlfriend ko. Eh, nakita ko wala na ba siyang nakapost na girl. So, ginawa ko, ako talaga yung nag-follow, ako yung una nag-message. Pero totoo yun, yung dun sa fast talk, yung message ko talaga, emoji lang, walang iba. Kasi para safe. Ganun lang. Ganun lang, kasi para safe. Kasi kung sakaling may girlfriend na hindi pa masyado pinopost, at least, nasabihin niyo, oh, smile lang naman, hindi naman, wala namang hinihingi sa'yo whatsoever. Pero nag-follow siya agad, tapos nag-reply, tapos in 3 days, he asked me out on a date.
Haba ng hair.
Talaga!
So, masasabi mo talaga, iba na mga babae ngayon din, yung panahon mo. Kung gusto mo porsigido mo, ganun.
Oo naman, I'm very with that. Dapat ngayon, hindi lang, kasi dati di ba pag ang lalaki lang yung pwede magtrabaho, babae may iwan sa bahay, parang wala masyadong freedom, pero ngayon, I think naman it's very outspoken na with women, we know what we want and we have the right to do what we want. And of course, our rights as a woman, and we're very clear with that. So,
Ano lang fear mo sa ganong klaseng relationship? Like,
Fear?
na ikaw yung unang nag-message, tapos mas younger siya sa'yo, di ba?
anong fear ko?
Oo.
Na baka ano ka, parang thumbs
I'm very
down.
confident. I don't think I have any fear or like insecurity with the other woman. I mean, if he would be in a place that's gonna be a lot of, you know, very gorgeous women, I'm not gonna be afraid or anything kasi I'm very confident with who I am and what I give with him, and he actually promised me. Not all those women naman din nasa place yung promised me that, you know, whatever, but he did. So, yun yung pinanghawakan ko. And
Siya yung pinakamagandang nangyari sa 2025 mo.
Oo, sobra sa, alam niyo naman na we're all very aware, like my year 2025 was very, very, very
Yeah.
tragic and terrible for me. So Mac actually is really a big surprise talaga. I think he's really a gift from God.
Pero napag-
Yes, yes.
Sige, ikaw na
Eh, hindi ko alam. Si Mac ang bahala doon. Hindi ko magpaplano about
Ayong
it.
pangunahan?
Pero romantic ba siya? Very, very.
Is siya romantic guy?
Sorry.
Is he very romantic guy?
Si Mac, sobra, very intentional, I have to say. And he knows the small things. So yun yung talagang, I think yun yung sobrang nagiging special siya. Sobrang listener, very observant. And hindi siya papayag na hindi ako nakakauwi ng safe. So kahit sobrang layo pa niya, pupunta at pupuntahan niya. Sorry? Wala siya ngayon. I'm not sure. I'm trying to invite him still, but let's see if he comes.
Ano estado nyo? Nagkalibin na ba kayo? Or ano, something?
So, ano ba to? All out, ano ba to?
All out interview.
Ito na yun. Wala nang urunan, 2026 na.
Medyo may times na gano'n. Kasi nakakasama din talaga niya yung baby ko, and my mom lives with me, and doon ko nasasabi na, he loves me. Kasi wala sa kanya yun eh. I think, siguro sa ibang guy, parang they would feel awkward, right? O, kasama niya pala yung nanay niya sa bahay. No? Pero siya, wala siyang pakialam. Even still, my brothers, every weekend, they sleep in my house. And he's also there, so walang problema sa akin.
So anong emoji ang magagamit mo ngayon to describe your relationship?
Busog-busog.
Napag-uusapan yung wedding? Or something?
Yes, definitely.
Nakikita mo he's the one.
Yeah, yun yung, totoo yun yung kinuwento namin kay Tito Boy na when he asked me to be his girlfriend, I didn't say yes agad. I asked him a lot of things because I have to consider a lot of things. Of course, my son, right? Kasi I'm seriously looking, meaning I am dating to get married. So he knows that. So he knows that before I said yes to him as a girlfriend, he knows that yun yung gusto kong patunguhan. So kung magiging boyfriend kita, walang atrasan. Walang atrasan.
Wait, ano ba yung love language mo?
Love
What's your
language.
love language?
Service.
Service.
Service talaga. Gusto ko alagaan kita, bigyan kita ng oras.
Yun yung ikaw pang nagbibigay. Pero pag ikaw yung nakaka-receive, anong gusto mo?
Gifts.
Yes, talaga.
Paano ko sa gift talaga? Parang kahit lollipop pa yan, promise,
Ay,
sobrang...
ni Diamante.
Kasi and I think it's the thought that counts eh. Yung the fact na naalala ka ng tao na yun. Na, ay, magugustuhan niya to. Or, mapapasaya ko siya dito. Kahit candy lang yan. Sobrang laking meaning nun for me.
Rito, ang ganda naman nangyayari sa'yo. Nakapagpatawad ka na ba?
Oh, parang, ano pinaganyan mo? Parang sana dinaretso mo na lang.
Sinegoy mo.
Yan ang ano ko sa'yo. Galing mo talaga sumagot eh.
Alam niyo po, bago pa yan itanong sa akin ng kung sino, of course, nagawa ko na yun. Kasi, para saan pa, if diba, I'm very vocal with my